Confused about the cosmos? Can't tell a planet from a star? Then give us just 5 minutes and we'll show you what they are. Jack Horkheimer, stargazer, director of the Miami Space Transit Planetarium, tells you all about the night sky and the biggest show of all, the universe. And now this week's episode.
The moon plays tag with Venus and Orion's two brilliant bow wows. Greetings, fellow stargazers. We're in the middle of the Moon Visits Venus season. And next week, we have 4 nights when we can watch an ever-growing crescent moon play tag with the queen of the planets. Plus, let's take a closer look at Orion's 2 dogs. Okay, we've got our sky set up for Tuesday, January 27th, an hour after sunset facing southwest, where if you have a really clear, flat horizon, you may be able to see an exquisite one-day-old slender sliver of a crescent moon, snuggled close to the horizon. 24 hours later, on Wednesday the 28th, an even bigger crescent, complete with earthshine, which will look like a dim, blackish-gray full moon nestled within the crescent, will be well below, but on its way to meet the brightest planet we could see in the nighttime sky, super dazzling, 8,000-mile wide, same size as Earth, Venus, which is getting brighter every single night and will reach super maximum brilliancy at the end of February. But it gets even better, because on Thursday night, the 29th, an even more wonderful crescent moon will be parked just down to the right of Venus. And the 2 of them together will absolutely blow you away. But if it's clouded out, do not fret, because on Friday night, January 30th, a slightly fatter crescent, still complete with earthshine, will take its place above the brilliant queen of the night. Don't miss this nightly sky show, please. Tuesday the 27th, Wednesday the 28th, Thursday the 29th, and Friday the 30th. And now, for those of you who aren't into planets and the moon, just turn yourself around and face southeast. And you'll easily be able to spot 7 bright stars which make up Orion the Hunter. And we're going to use the 3 equally spaced stars of Orion's belt to help us find his 2 dogs. Simply shoot an arrow down through them, and that arrow will land almost smack dab on the brightest star we can see with the naked eye, Sirius, the star which marks the eye of Orion's big dog, Canis Major, which means big dog in Latin. Sirius is one of my favorites because whenever we see it close to the horizon, it always sparkles like a magnificent celestial diamond, often flashing blues, greens, reds, and yellows. But to find Orion's other dogs a bit trickier. You have to hang a left at Sirius. And the first bright star you'll land on will be the star Procyon, which marks the eye of Orion's little dog, Canis Minor, which in Latin means little dog. In fact, our word canine comes from the word canis. At any rate, if we compare Procyon and Sirius to our sun, we find that Procyon is 11.5 light years away and 2 times the diameter of our sun, but it's 7.5 times brighter. Sirius, on the other hand, blows both Procyon and our sun away. In fact, even though it's only 1 3/4 times the size of our sun, it's nearly twice as massive, and thus 25 times as bright. Wow! And it's really close, only 8.5 light years away. So, get thee out and see Orion's 2 wonderful bow wows and our moon visiting the queen of the night. Keep looking up!